The Greek government is set to announce a significant upgrade to its naval capabilities, particularly in submarine warfare. On March 27, 2025, the Greek Prime Minister is expected to reveal plans for the modernization of its Papanikolis-class submarines, along with the acquisition of new submarines, marking a pivotal step toward fortifying Greece's defense infrastructure. These initiatives come as part of the ongoing effort to maintain the country's naval superiority in the face of evolving regional challenges. Alongside the planned submarine upgrades, Greece will receive its first batch of 44 SeaHake Mod4 heavy torpedoes at the Salamis naval base by early summer 2025. Although their arrival has been delayed due to disruptions in the global supply chain, the torpedoes will play a vital role in enhancing Greece's defense capabilities. The Hellenic Navy's Papanikolis-class submarines, built upon the German Type 214 design, have been a cornerstone of Greece's underwater defense since their introduction. These diesel-electric attack submarines, which include an air-independent propulsion AIP system powered by hydrogen fuel cells, offer unparalleled stealth and endurance. The modernization program aims to enhance their operational capabilities, ensuring they remain a powerful deterrent for decades. The submarines have a length of 65 meters, a beam of 6.3 meters, and a submerged displacement of 1,860 tons. With a maximum submerged speed of 20 knots and the ability to dive to depths nearing 400 meters, the Papanikolas-class vessels are designed for long-duration missions, capable of staying submerged for 84 days. Their impressive armament includes 8 533mm torpedo tubes, which can launch heavyweight torpedoes and anti-ship missiles, providing substantial firepower to defend Greece's maritime borders. These submarines gained significant attention during the 2020 maritime crisis between Greece and Turkey, as they were able to track multiple Turkish surface vessels without being detected, showcasing their effectiveness in real-world operations. The ongoing modernization efforts will ensure that these submarines remain a critical asset in Greece's naval strategy. Another key component of Greece's military enhancement is the arrival of the SeaHake Mod4 torpedoes. Designed to meet modern warfare requirements, these torpedoes are equipped with advanced electronic countermeasures (ECCM), which allow them to resist enemy defenses and operate in complex naval environments. Weighing over 1.5 tons, the SeaHake Mod4 torpedoes can reach speeds of up to 50 knots and possess a range exceeding 50 kilometers. These torpedoes can be launched from various depths and are capable of evading decoys and countermeasures. With a 260 kilograms warhead, they are capable of inflicting severe damage to large naval vessels. By the end of 2025, Greece is expected to receive the majority of these torpedoes, replacing older models that have been in service since the 1980s. The delivery of these torpedoes has been delayed by supply chain disruptions, primarily caused by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, but the long-awaited arrival will provide a crucial boost to the Hellenic Navy's operational capabilities. In addition to modernizing existing submarines, the Hellenic Navy is actively pursuing the acquisition of new vessels to replace its aging fleet. Greece currently operates 5 older Type 209 class submarines, some of which have been in service for over 50 years. These submarines, though reliable, are nearing the end of their operational lifespan, prompting the need for replacements. Several submarine designs are being considered for the new acquisitions, including the German Type 209-1400 Mod, the French Scorpion Evolved and Barracuda, and the Swedish Saab A26. A key requirement for these new vessels is that they be constructed in Greek shipyards, which will help retain a portion of the investment within the national economy. By introducing these new submarines gradually over the next decade, Greece aims to strengthen its naval presence and ensure the long-term effectiveness of its submarine fleet. The planned addition of 4 new submarines, combined with the modernization of the Papanikolis-class submarines, will bring Greece's operational fleet to 9 submarines, a number that will significantly enhance the country's strategic defense capabilities. The upgraded Okeanos S-118 submarine, based on the German Type 209 design, is also set to remain in service for at least another 15 years, contributing to the overall strength of the fleet. With the modernization of the Papanikolis-class submarines, the introduction of new submarines, and the addition of advanced torpedoes, Greece is positioning itself to maintain a formidable naval force well into the future. These investments are not only a reflection of the country's commitment to national security but also a strategic response to the shifting dynamics of regional power and maritime threats. As these projects come to fruition, Greece will be better equipped to protect its waters and assert its interests on the global stage.